And they are about to collide. Hello YouTube, today we will simulate the collision of the moon with the Earth. In this simulation, we will shoot the moon towards Earth. And we'll see what happens to both of them. You can see the entire solar system here. I will pause the simulator, let's go to planet Earth. And here is our beautiful home. Yes. I'll open the tab of the stats of the planet to track its surface temperature rise upon collision. I will unpause the emulator and slow down its speed to follow the event properly. Note the surface temperature of the planet before collision, it is 15.6 degrees. I will launch the moon towards the Earth from here. I will choose a target in the middle of the ocean to avoid any problems about you have aimed towards my country. And here we go. Notice that the planet's surface temperature rises to 1036 degrees immediately. The moon turned into fragments that flew into space. Look at those waves. The surface temperature began to decrease gradually. I'll speed up the simulator again to see what happens after the collision. The entire planet has become unfit for life. After a while, the planet began to recover. Over time, the temperature will decrease, and the planet will become habitable again, but the collision spot of the moon will remain. In the end, this data is based on the simulator only, and I thank God, it is not real and accurate. So, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel.